Ask out. To invite someone to go on a date or for a social outing, usually in a romantic context. I'm going to ask her out to dinner. I finally asked out her today. Break down. To stop working or functioning, for machines or vehicles. Our factory machine broke down today. His car broke down on the road last night. Break down. To lose control emotionally. When someone becomes very emotional or starts crying. He emotionally broke down during this situation. After hearing the sad news, I completely broke down. Go off. To explode or make a sudden loud noise. The bomb went off at midnight. Did the alarm clock go off? Go off. To become bad, rotten, or spoiled. The milk went off in the fridge. The apple has gone off on the table. Hit on. To flirt with someone or show romantic interest. Don't hit on my friend at the party. Your cousin is hitting on me. Kick off. To start or begin something, like an event, meeting, or activity. The meeting kicked off at 7 p.m. The football match will kick off at 2:15 a.m. tomorrow. Read over. To read something carefully, usually to check for mistakes or review it. I quickly read over it again. I read over all pages before signing it. Run into. To meet someone unexpectedly. We ran into our teacher at the supermarket. I ran into my school friend yesterday after many years. Stand by. To support or remain loyal to someone. He stood by me when I needed help. I will always stand by you to resolve the issue. Stay up. To remain awake and not go to bed. I have to stay up tonight to finish my work. Did you stay up late last night? Talk back. To reply in a rude or disrespectful way to someone, usually to a person in authority, like a parent, teacher, or boss. Don't talk back to your teacher. Did you talk back your mother? Talk over. To discuss something carefully before making a decision. We talked over everything after the meeting. You should talk over him about the trip details. Tear up. To rip something into pieces, usually paper, photos, letters, etc. She tore up my music ticket. The baby tore up the papers.